Well, hello there. My name's John Erickson. Here's looking at you. Auditioning for the role of the host. Thanks so much for having me read. Almost forgot. If you want to fix this hair any which way whatsoever, you're more than welcome to. Tonight, it's like I just got back from the beach. But I live downtown, so I'm not even close to the water, and it does not sound like the waves crashing on the beautiful rocks of Malibu. Anyways, we can have some fun. Let's do it. So does this make this his third concussion on the program? Hello? Anyone home? Yeah, it certainly takes skill to trip over smooth, ramped surfaces. Despite his accident proneness, do we still have to declare him a sex symbol? Thankfully, I still have my national membership to the sorority of beer, which means buddies encouraging each other to drink more rapidly. Thank you, sir. May I have another? Thank you, sir. May I have another? Eddie fever strikes again as Eddie and Shawnee find themselves stranded on an island looking for help. Help wanted, huh? Well, hopefully for you two, you love sunsets and long walks on the beach and holding hands. That's right. Everyone, and I mean everyone, wants in on watching the program. For a 3-hour marathon? A 3-hour marathon? It's not like it used to be, folks. Now it's instant, online, streaming. Like drinking from the fire hose. If it's so realistic, then how come after all these years, Gilligan never tapped that ginger? I mean, hello? If the professor is so brilliant, Harvey, then how come on that episode where they find a shipwreck full of movie equipment, rather than repair the ship, they would rather make a movie? Which wasn't even all that good or funny. Even the boom mics are so prominent, like hanging tropical vines, that they decided to drop in on the occasion. Anything showing here? We're clear. Mitch breaks up the party and exits for the day because he finds this episode tragically, as Baywatch will desperately build up to monumental bland Gilligan's Island punchlines for ratings. Surprise, surprise. Now, Buchanan may not like Gilligan's Island, but Captain Thorpe certainly does. Well, like your shriveled old self, your personality and dry sense of humor leave little to the imagination. Now, I can't decide if this is the dumbest or most brilliant product placement ever presented by a minimum wage earning pizza delivery guy to another minimum wage public servant. What? Did common sense just blow out your asshole? Or your blowhole? I am Ahab. We're back. What about your long-lost sister you failed to save last season? I'm guessing common sense is a flower that doesn't grow in Eddie's garden. No. He would rather be watering than misery. Shed a tear there, buddy. Jealous? Getting ready to whip out that hose, are we? Huh? Yeah. Why don't you give her a piece of that meat lover special? Does it every time. Ooh! Wipe out! Let the corny fun begin. Meanwhile, Garner can't decide as to whether he should break up some groggy, bleary-eyed morning sex or wake up a little wiener. Quite a stimulating predicament to be in.